Have you ever searched on Google for your service, for example, Chandler Pool Repair or Scottsdale Bakery, and wondered why your competitors show up and you don't? It is not random. It's a strategy. Local SEO is the reason they are getting found and you are not. So let's start with your Google business profile. If it is not fully filled out with accurate information, services, photos, business hours, and your local areas, Google just not going to prioritize you in that map pack, the top section, the one that gets the click. It favors businesses with complete, updated, and active profile. So now let's talk about your website. Does it actually say what you do and where you do it? Google needs that context. If your site just say we offer great service without clearly stating things like pool equipment repair in Chandler or tile cleaning in Tempe, Google won't know when to show you in local search results. And here is something a lot of people miss: NAP consistency. This is your name, address, and phone number. If it is listed differently on your website, Yelp, and Facebook, and other directories, even small mismatches like street versus ST, Google get confused. And confusion means low rankings. Finally, reviews. They are not just for show. They are a major ranking signal. Businesses that get regular, positive, relevant reviews, especially when they respond to them, it builds trust with both customers and search engines. If you are ready to stop being invisible in search and start showing up when your customers are looking, send me a DM. I will do a quick local SEO checkup and show you exactly where the gaps are and how to fix them. Let's make sure your business gets found. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips.